Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. You know what, man? I've been waiting for this, man. I finally got my brand new AirPods 2, second generation, man. Little volume control. That stuff's amazing. So I ordered the best people, I think, that make AirPod cases, and that's Spigen. And I'm not just saying that, man. I've tried other cases. Don't really hold up to the test of time. So I went with the Spigen Lock Fit AirPods Pro, second generation. Let's get this baby unboxed, man. So, honestly, the upgrade from the original AirPods to the new AirPods was pretty significant. Plus the features, the better features, and plus the volume control, that was phenomenal. So, this is how it comes. Let's get rid of this. So, 2 pieces. Nothing else comes with it. No adhesive strip, nothing like that. Oh, okay. There you go. There's more, and it comes with that little metal like lanyard. So we're gonna want to put this on there. So the AirPods, make sure the case is nice and clean. Slips right in there. Oh, wait a minute, did I put, no, I put them in the wrong way. Technical difficulties. So there you go. And then the top piece goes on like that. So compared to my old Spigen case, it's a bit bigger, but as long as it, you know, that looks pretty cool, man. That honestly does look pretty cool. And you gotta always, so it doesn't just flip and close, you gotta actually close it manually. So that's, so it'll hold the test of time, man. We'll see how good it is. I'll give you guys an update in the future. But honestly, the build is nice, the feel is nice. I kind of wished it would just close automatically, but it is what it is. At least that way you know it's locked and it's secured. So it got a spot for another lanyard for if you want to use the one on the actual AirPod case. It got a room for the speakers, microphone, and the charger. So honestly, I love Spigen. No complaints about Spigen, man. If you guys want one of these, they're on Amazon for about $28.99 Canadian. That comes up to like around, say, 20 bucks US. I'm sure you can find it. And if you're in America there and it's not showing up on Amazon.com, just go to Amazon.ca and I'm pretty sure you can still get it delivered from there, man. Honestly, love Spigen. No complaints about Spigen. And that's that, man. Just wanted to show you guys the Spigen Lock Fit. Let me know if you guys got one down in the comments below, man. Do you enjoy it? Or is it just a pain? Because it is bulky. If there's one thing I'm going to say, it is bulky. But it is what it is, man. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. Thank you guys all for watching, and catch me in a future video. Go watch my AirPods 2 unboxing. I just made that video. I made a video on the Beats Fit Pro. I made a comparison between them and the AirPods. So go check it out, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace out.